So I'm very happy with the treatment what he is giving to me. I had my ligament tear and meniscus tear almost 6 months back. I have almost every day some or the other problem, but it is solved by him. They are very patient with the patients. Staying in Vijayanagar from Bangalore. I had my ligament tear and meniscus tear almost 6 months back. I come here for rehabilitation after my surgery. In the beginning it was very difficult for me to walk and do so many activities. But after coming here, slowly has improved. I am able to do very easily. Other thing, the most important thing is here Dr. Shivraj sir, who's a doctor here, he helps me a lot, and for every small problem of mine is being solved, and I have almost every day some or the other problem, but it is solved by him. Very smiling way and very nicely. That it's highly recommended that you can come here for any injury or whatever problems you have. It will be treated very nicely and with patience. They are very patient with the patient, so I highly recommend this place for everyone.